How to make netherite ingots in Minecraft. So first you will need the furnace and you will need 4 gold ores, 4 ancient debris, and the crafting table. So first we are gonna smelt these ores and debris. So just go to your furnace and just put it here on the furnace right there and just wait for it to finish smelting. Now once it's done, just go to the furnace and retrieve your ores and scraps and place your crafting table right here. Now just open up your crafting table and just put all these materials here on the crafting table. So 4 gold ingots and 4 netherite scraps. And as you can see, it will automatically convert to a netherite ingot. Now you could basically do more if you want. And after that, you could make some armors, some weapons, some items, or some tools. That's how I basically make netherite ingots in Minecraft.